breakfast. So we have 4 blueberry waffles. Blueberry waffles right there. We got 4 of them. Macros are on the screen. Then we have 2 servings of syrup. There's the syrup that I use. Macros are on the screen. We have 2 whole eggs, regular eggs, AA, large. And then we have 2 slices of turkey bacon. That's the turkey bacon. And then we have a half a serving of ISO Pure, which is right there. It looks like a slushie because I put some ice cubes in it and put it in the blender, which I have a video showing you how to do it. Check out the video. It's on my page now. If you need me to go through how to cook all of this stuff, let me know. But this is what breakfast looks like for someone who is cutting. Finally, I made it to this damn gym. It's like dashboard say 12:13, so it's late as fuck, and I got an early morning tomorrow. But no excuses. I gotta get in here. I gotta do my thing so I can look good for the summer. It all starts right now, baby. If you want to look good for the summer, you got to get your ass in that gym. Got to get your big ass on a machine that's going to work out them goddamn lumps so you can look good with your little swimsuit on and shit. So we about to get in here. We about to do our motherfucking thing. Here we go. So, I ain't gonna front. I definitely didn't work out today. I walked in there, I saw some guys playing basketball, and temptation took over me. Don't judge me. I had a good time. A good motherfucking time. Temptation took over. They was dribbling. They was shooting. They looked like they was having fun like a motherfucker. So I decided to have some fun. I haven't gotten serious yet, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give y'all a little treat. I'm gonna show y'all some footage of another time when I actually did work out. And I'm gonna show y'all my motherfucking good ass view from when I was living in Cali. Every single day I woke up to this beautiful motherfucking view. So really living a good life. Now I'm back in Chicago and playing basketball and shit when I'm supposed to be lifting weights and losing fat and doing that kind of stuff. But instead, this lustful sensation to dribble and shoot and pass and steal the ball and do all that semi-athletic shit took over. So now I'm back in the car. I just realized I got scratched.
12356 VADS for help and.
Shut up. Look at that. God damn, I ain't even feel it. Look at that. You know what that mean? I should have had my ass on the bench lifting weights instead of trying to be down there. Live out my old days when I actually used to know how to play the game of basketball. Now, I just be doing shit that I remember. That's it. My coordination a little off. I ain't old around this bitch. I just ain't practice, alright? But I had a good time. I really motherfucking did. In this footage I'm showing y'all, I know I look pathetic around that motherfucker. Titties bouncing, stomach jiggling. That motherfucker look like he too big for that little ass sweater, don't it? Look at the arms. The arms might be flooded on this motherfucker. How the fuck your arms flood? So, yeah, I probably look too big on this goddamn working out footage video. But, you know, that's how it starts. That's where it starts. You got to start somewhere. You ain't always going to look wonderful around this motherfucker. First you start looking sloppy, and you work your way from the slop to the whatever word rhyme with that. Get in the comments, tell me what rhyme with slop. From the slop to the something that sound good when you say it, when it come out your mouth, when it roll off your tongue. Yeah. So today I need a body scale and I need a food scale. I need those scales so that we can make sure that we do our macros correctly. A big thing about doing your macros is if you're doing it correctly, it might be a lot of fucking food. And with it being a lot of food, you gotta eat all the time. So I'm usually eating when I'm driving, when I'm working. Anything I do, I'm usually either eating or my food is already done so that I can eat it once I get time. Yeah, so there's a lot of eating. Prepare yourself for that. Get ready to learn how to use a scale. Get ready to learn how to use a food digital scale on the counter. And get ready to know the difference between fats, proteins, and carbs. I've already done videos showing y'all how to track your macros with fats, proteins, and carbs. I'm also about to do like a video series of weights from 200 all the way down to 100, and then I'm gonna take it from 100, 105, and I'm gonna probably go all the way up to 195 doing intervals of 5. So that's on the way. I'm working on that right now. But get ready, y'all. I'm about to show you and all the rest of us big people how to be small people. You feel me? Just pulled up to Target. About to go and get a scale and a scale. I'm going to show y'all these scales. It's time to get serious about this dieting. I'm trying to look good around there, bit. You feel me? I'm trying to be on that beach in some flip-flops. No drawers, swim trunks, no shirt, maybe my watch, maybe facial hair, might keep these eyebrows, and a bald fade around here. So this cost me $44.08 for 2 scales. This is what you need. If you're gonna follow the way that I diet really closely, and you want to get the best results, then you're going to need both of these scales. I might end up taking this scale back because I think I have a digital scale at home, but I want to be safe rather than sorry. The reason I'm not 100% sure is because I just moved across the country, and a lot of stuff I either threw away. I just moved from LA to Chicago, and a lot of stuff I either threw away or it's just so deep down inside of my packages and boxes and all of that stuff that I ain't really gonna find it right now. So $20 ain't that huge of a deal for me. It's definitely better than spending 2 hours looking for something in the box. So yeah, this journey about to start, this process about to start. Everything's about to be accurate. Your boy about to be looking good. And if you do what you supposed to do that I'm gonna show you how to do, then you're gonna be looking good too. We can both be on the beach. Out the shower, still fat. Showers don't make you skinny, but we working on it. Still working.